It is my favorite time of year again when we have Halloween, Thanksgiving, and then Christmas. And I love filling my house with holiday decor. So today I'm gonna get started with my Halloween decorations. We're going with a very chic black, white, and tan motif. We really went all out here. We got corn stalks, stacks of hay, and we really just want to make it look like we brought the pumpkin patch to our front doorstep. So I'll be telling you as we set up exactly where I found each piece, a little something from everywhere from Whole Foods to Target to the Flower Mart downtown. And hopefully this gives you some ideas for how to decorate your home this holiday. To start off with, I got these new floor mats from Target. Both of them are from Target, and I think they're just super cute, especially for the holidays. By adding in this woven one underneath the welcome mat, it just makes it feel extra cozy, and that's what the holidays are all about. So I think that's like a really cute touch and something easy to start off with. And then my lovely Julia and I, who are your dates there?
These are my new friends.
I love them.
Yeah.
Very cute. Ex-boyfriends.
Definitely ex-boyfriends.
Love it. So these are from Walgreens, as she said. And I think they were about 50 each, right?
Yeah, 50
so
bucks each.
A little bit pricey, but look how tall they are. They're literally life-sized. So they really, they're 5 feet tall. So they really, you don't need a lot. Like 2 goes a long way, and they're gonna really like set the mood for the front door here. We got these really cool corn stalks from the Flower Mart downtown. These are real dried corn stalks, and this just gives the whole entrance like a really grand feel, but makes it feel very fall. And then these haystacks we got from Michael's. Okay, so it's coming together here. We bought these pumpkins. These are actually just the normal orange pumpkins that you can get at the grocery store. And then we bought black matte spray paint, and we did 2 coats. We had to do these in 2 sessions just to really make sure they got really nice and evenly coated. But I think they turned out really cute and chic. And then these are lanterns that we've had for a year now from Target. I love the brass. And then we did black candles inside, which we also got from Target. So finishing touches here, we're adding cobwebs into the mix just to really make it feel extra creepy. These were such a good find. These 3 little skeleton heads. They're actually kind of like Dia de los Muertos heads. So pretty, really sturdy. They're not plastic. They're like either, I think they're wood actually. And we found these at a thrift store over the weekend, and I love them. They were such a good find. They were only $3 each. And I think they're just gonna add such a nice touch in the mix. Okay, so here is the finished look. I think it turned out so chic, if I do say so myself. This wreath really kind of tied things in. We found this at the Flower Mart, and it is a wreath of dried hydrangeas. And I just think it looks so cool and chic, and it's the exact same color as the cornstalk. So it really kind of ties in our whole black, white, and tan theme. I just love how it turned out, and it was so easy to do. This is something that you could accomplish really easily. Like I said, we got regular pumpkins and then spray painted them black, added in some smaller white pumpkins in the mix, and then these are actually unfinished paper pumpkins, the tan ones, that we got from Target also. The cobwebs we got at Michael's, and then like I said, the lanterns are from Target, as well as the candles. These little skulls, we just were really lucky and found them at a thrift store nearby. and these large skeletons were from Walgreens. So that was outside, and now come and see what we've done inside. So over here in front of the fireplace, we just added a few pumpkins and more skulls. We really wanted to make the vibe inside feel a little bit more cozy, rustic. We added in a bit more color in here. The pumpkins we got from Trader Joe's. And then we added in some elements like logs, which I got from Crate and Barrel, and gold and wooden candlesticks, which are from World Market, that give it just like a little bit more glam. These are more of the skulls that we got from the thrift store, these little guys here. And then these big skulls that we put in a bowl, which kind of make it look a little more chic, are from Michael's. And then flipping around here to our stairwell. This is actually my favorite part of our decor. I'm very, very proud of this. Our flying bats, and they look like they're actually flying in formation up the staircase. These are 3D. They just stick right onto the wall. You can see, super cool. And we got these off of Amazon. I'll be sure to link them for you. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. We had so much fun decorating our house for the first time ever this Halloween. Malay is really into the decorations. She likes to call those skeletons Coco. You want to see Coco?
Outside. Go outside.
And I hope this serves as some inspo to you for your home. Happy Halloween, you guys. Bye, Coco.
Bye, Coco. Gay.